Good day, this is Angelo Fernandez again for MIS IS215 and I'm reporting about parallel systems. Parallel systems, it is also called multiprocessor systems. This is the execution of the instructions in the processors that are in parallel. This is a typical diagram of parallel systems. There's an input processing in the processor and it processes to be an output of the input. Parallel systems, if you put an input instruction, normally it will process on the processor and the output instructions will be there. If, for example, one of it is not responding or it will fail, it will be rerouted to another processor and it will have the output instruction without any other disturbances. This is a typical diagram of a distributed system. Distributed system runs concurrently through a message passing system, which components are located in the network system. One example is a local area network. They are interconnected with each other. The message is being passed from the memory to the processor, and from one pair of memory and processor, it is passed to another pair of memory and processor. Network systems. Network systems are designed in a way that the workstations are interconnected to each other, and message can be passed to each workstation with its purpose of sharing resources. This is a typical diagram of the workstations that are interconnected with the network system. Normally, workstations are also like the local area connection, which is something like a distributed systems. However, this one, workstations are all interconnected to each other, not like the distributed systems. They have the tendency that one pair is being passed to another pair, but this one got an access to all workstations. Differentiation between the three systems, parallel, distributed, and network systems. The parallel systems differs from the distributed system and network system as the failure is being processed in the other processor for it not to be affected with its output. So that means if, for example, the parallel system, one of the processor fails, the job that was sent to the processor is being rerouted to another processor. And the output is not affected because the other processor will still process the same command what has been inputted to the other processor. Okay, distributed systems and network systems are most likely the same structure as the messages being passed and being shared among each users. So the job that the other processor cannot do, the other processor will fulfill for the parallel system. Okay, but for the distributed system and network system, all processes are being shared at all points. And that is how you can differentiate parallel versus distributed and network systems. Thank you.